This na the story of pikin wey rise to the max. Rain or shine, e no settle for less. Na the story of small boy wey get big talent.
Home and away.
Wait o, e be like say na the story of one man wey fall, but wey bounce back in style.
Wetin dey motivate you?
I want day big, special and great.
Watching us live from Big Brother House Studio.
Joy for Osimhen and his teammates.
Make we dey enjoy Max Entertainment together.
Sports or movies, telenovela or cartoon, music or reality TV with just 3,600 naira every month. You sef fit enjoy over 75 channels wey dey for GOtv Max. Make you and your special ones dey enjoy better things on Max levels. GOtv, love it.